Prince is back with another video. In this video, we're talking about nano dimension, ticker symbol NNDM. Now, this one, it's sitting at 761, but I think it has a good future. And this is not financial advice, but I think it has a good future. The reason why this stock, if we go back, let's see, a year ago. Let's do September last year. It was $1.43. Um, and I got in at, I'm pretty sure it was around 11. Yeah, around 11 in January when it hit 11. So if we go back a month, 3 months, around January. And it has hit an all-time high of this year at 1672. So it can and might go back up there. I mean, right now we're going to a big old, stock market crash or correction, whatever you guys want to call it. I don't know when it's going to be over, but it will be over. And about nano dimension, it's an Israeli-based additive electronics powder active in the technology sector. So basically, to break this whole paragraph or little section down, they do 3D printing technologies. So they also did in the past a lot of direct offerings. So they build up that revenue and that cash. And what I like about this company is that they have no debt and they are at 1.89 billion in market cap. That's really good. That's really good. So and their earnings call, that's what I also want to talk about. Their earnings call is at March 11th. Remember that if you guys are an investor in this company, which I am myself, it's March 11th. Remember that day. It's going to be in the pre-market. So before the bell, we'll see how they're going to do. I'm really excited about this. Here we go. They have a little score. It says 7 out of 10. Yeah, and revenue. Hold on. This is their history of their earnings date and everything. What else I was going to say? Yeah, even ARK is also a investor in this. ARK Innovations. They have, what was it? How much shares do they have? Yeah, they own over 5.8 million shares, which is about $45 million. And a lot of people like to follow Cathie Wood. She's the CEO and COO of ARK ARK and ARK funds, and they have a lot of great stocks and what she thinks most of the stocks are going to go up and everything. And here's a little video you guys can watch about full report of a full review on what's going on. But overall, what I want to talk about NNDM, that was pretty much it. I am an investor. Remember that earnings call is March 11th. And I feel like, yeah, right now the stock is really cheap right now. It's at 761. It hasn't been that price since we're looking back at, what was the date? December 17th. And what was the other article I want to talk about? Let's see, earnings date and the after hours. Yeah, so I really like this stock. I really think 3D printing, I even use it in school. 3D printing, I remember I 3D print this small little castle, whatever, and for my project at school. But this company was around since 2012, and they're looking really good for the future. I think. I really think they're really looking at the future. 17-week high, 1789. So we'll see where this company goes. I'm an investor myself. All these stocks I talk about, I talked about GameStop. I'm not an investor in that one. I talked about Nano Dimensions. I am an investor in that one. I talked about AMC. I am an investor in that one. I talked about Bio Nanogenomics. That is my first ever stock that I have ever owned. I think that stock's going to be doing great in the future. What else did I own? Oh, Neo. Neo is a super long-term thing. Super long-term. I mean, they got as low as 30, but oh, Zom. Yeah, Zom. We got the True Forma thing coming out at the end of March. So yeah, I'm an investor in Zom. We'll see what happens with that one. That one's going to be a really good stock. Let's take a look at real quick. Zom. It's at $1.78. But I talked about it in a previous video. They're coming out with their True Forma product for pets. It's a pet pharmaceutical company. But yeah, Nano Dimensions. Make sure to click my click down below for my link to get some free stocks. And with that said, the prince is out.